Fellas, waking up at night to pee? Weak stream? Feeling like your manhood just isn't what it used to be? You might think it's just getting older, but the real issue could be a silently swelling prostate. And there's one powerful fruit that's helping men shrink it naturally, sleep through the night, and bring back real confidence in the bedroom. I'm Dr. Senior Men's Health, and after 15 years of helping men fix this the natural way, I can tell you, this fruit works. And if you stay with me till the end, I'll also show you one simple home mix that can take your bedroom performance to pro level. If this sounds like your story, hit like and subscribe, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. So what's the fruit that's quietly changing men's lives? Pomegranate. This ruby red fruit is packed with ellagic acid, polyphenols, and antioxidants that reduce inflammation, the very thing driving prostate enlargement and poor circulation. In a landmark study from UCLA, men with rising PSA levels, a marker of prostate stress, drank just 8 ounces of pomegranate juice daily. After 3 months, their PSA doubling time increased by nearly 350%, meaning their prostate condition slowed down dramatically, giving the body space to recover. Another study published in Prostate Cancer and Prostatic Diseases found that pomegranate extract led to a 30% drop in oxidative stress markers inside prostate tissue. But here's where it gets even more powerful. Pomegranate improves nitric oxide production, which widens blood vessels and boosts blood flow, the exact mechanism behind stronger, longer-lasting erections. It also helps lower blood pressure, reduce arterial plaque, increase testosterone naturally, and combat insulin resistance, 4 critical factors that fuel erectile dysfunction. So not only does it help your stream, it supports the very foundation of your male performance and stamina. But timing and method matter. If you're still watching, that tells me something. You're not just curious, you're committed to reclaiming your health. So do this right now, hit that subscribe button so this kind of life-changing information keeps reaching men who truly need it. One click helps this message spread, and helps more men win their health back. And if you want to stay ahead with powerful weekly tips to restore your energy, confidence, and performance, make sure that notification bell is on. Now that you know how powerful this fruit really is, let me show you how to use it the right way, because most men make one simple mistake that secretly kills their results. The best form? Cold-pressed juice or the raw seeds, also called arils. Skip anything with added sugar or artificial flavors. What you want is 100% pure pomegranate juice, or scoop out the fresh seeds yourself. Ideal amount? Drink half to 1 cup daily, that's 4 to 8 ounces of juice, or around half cup of seeds. But here's the part most men overlook. To unlock its full effect, pair it with healthy fats, think avocado, extra virgin olive oil, or a handful of walnuts. This boosts absorption of key nutrients that support prostate and blood flow. Want even more impact? Add zinc-rich foods like oysters, eggs, or Brazil nuts. Zinc fuels testosterone production and works hand in hand with pomegranate to protect your prostate and improve male function. But when can you expect results? Most men start noticing better urine flow and less nighttime trips to the bathroom within 2 to 3 weeks. For deeper benefits, like improved bedroom performance, stamina, and energy, give it a consistent 30 to 60 days. Your body needs time to repair and respond to the nutrients. Pomegranate also helps lower stress hormones like cortisol, supports mitochondrial energy, and improves blood vessel health, all essential for full performance. And now, if you're ready to take things up a level, let me show you the simple mix you can make at home that amplifies these benefits and takes your bedroom performance to pro level. Alright fellas, here's the powerful mix you can make at home to take your bedroom performance to pro level, naturally. You'll need some pure pomegranate juice, a bit of beetroot powder or fresh beet juice, and just a touch of cayenne pepper or fresh ginger. Blend them together, and you've got a natural performance booster that works with your body, not against it. Pomegranate supports nitric oxide and keeps the prostate in check. Beetroot supercharges your circulation by widening blood vessels, and the cayenne or ginger ramps up blood flow and energy where it matters most. Drink this about 30 to 60 minutes before intimacy, or make it a daily habit if you're in it for the long game. Now just a heads up, if you're on blood thinners, have low blood pressure, or a sensitive stomach, go light or talk to your doctor first. This mix is powerful. It's not a quick fix. It's a natural foundation that restores what time, stress, and poor habits have taken away. Pair this with consistent pomegranate intake and smart lifestyle habits, and you'll start feeling stronger, more energetic, and more confident, in and out of the bedroom. If this helped you, Hit like and share this with a man who needs it. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried anything like this before? And don't miss the next video, I'm exposing the 5 worst foods that are secretly destroying male performance after 50.